In astrology, houses are the sections of a birth chart associated with each of the 12 zodiac signs. To find your first house, locate the 9 o'clock position on your chart. This is also the section of the chart that contains your rising or ascendant sign, or the sign that was rising in the east at the moment of your birth. Astrologers believe that the first house defines your sense of self and your overall outlook on life. For this reason, your rising sign and other celestial bodies included in the first house, such as the sun, moon, or planets, are thought to have a significant influence on your personality. While any sign or celestial body can occupy the first house, Aries and Mars are thought to be the natural rulers of this house. That means that if your sun sign is Aries, and Aries is also the rising sign that occupies your first house, you'll have extra strong Aries tendencies, such as impulsiveness, lots of energy, and a stubborn streak. Having Mars in the first house is thought to make you a strong, self-motivated leader. Other rising signs in the first house are associated with different traits, so check an astrology guide for information about what your specific sign might mean for you. For instance, people who have Virgo in their first house have a reputation for practicality and perfectionism, while people whose rising sign is Sagittarius are thought to be upbeat, charming, and honest. Pay attention to the planets or other celestial bodies that might be in your first house too. For example, having Neptune in the first house is thought to contribute to a dreamy, imaginative personality.